How to install Amazon Q CLI on Windows. First thing, we install the Windows subsystem for Linux with this code WSL install. By default, this installs Ubuntu except you specify a different Linux distribution. I'm going to pause the video for a few minutes for it to install. Alright, it has finished installing. I need to pick a username and then enter a password, which you must remember. Installation is successful. The next thing is, it has already taken me to the home directory that was created for me. Alright, I'm already there. So I installed the unzip file, unzip application that I will need to unzip my package in a few minutes. The password that was created. Now I need to download the Q CLI. With this, I will leave it in the description. It's been downloaded. QZip is available, so I unzip the file. File has been unzipped. I go into the Q directory. Once that is done, I change the permission on the file so that I can run an installation on it. That is done, so I can run the installation file. Just choose yes. Okay, at those points, you need either the AWS Builder ID or you have a pro account by subscribing a user to Q Developer on the AWS console. So because I've done this subscription before, I'm going to use Pro Edition. You can use the free edition if you have the AWS Builder ID. Registration is free for that. You can try that out. I need the start URL of my subscription in AWS console. So I'm going to pause the video for a few minutes and then get that. This is my start URL in Q Developer. The subscription has been done already. I come back here and paste that. What's my region? US East 1. I need to copy this URL and paste in the browser to authenticate. I'm entering the IDs, credentials of the user. Is this confirmed? I can just confirm. Allow access. So I'm in. Login successful. So if I say Q, let me restart it. Restart the shell. Bash, okay. Login. Already logging. So that's good. So Q chat then. Alright, I'm here. CLI, Q Developer is Q CLI is already running in my CLI. So if I can start using it from here, I'll probably develop a game. And if you want to know how to do the subscription using for pro license, I'm going to do that video soon. But then you must have installed Identity Center and then subscribe a user to Amazon Q. If you like to use Amazon Q Developer in CLI in VS Code, the first thing is to ensure that you've enabled the extension of our Microsoft WSL. I can quickly check that here. WSL. Okay, this is it. It's already installed. So once this is installed, you can just come back to your Q PowerShell, and if you want, you can create a directory. If you like, you can wait and just use the directory you're already on. Okay, from here, if you like, make a directory. Let's say I want to make a directory for personal projects. Amazon game. This directory is created, so if I just go into the directory I just created, Then I run code dots. Okay, so it's live. It's opened VS Code for me, so I can use Q CLI in my VS Code. If I type Q, okay, it's also the same. So live in VS Code. So the next video I'm going to develop a game using Amazon Q Developer in CLI. Thank you very much for watching the video.